Hello Gr6, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we're gonna start our revision sheet revising, and it's the third quarter revision sheet. Just to remind you, we had only two lessons. The first lesson about the soil, and the second lesson it's about the natural resources, renewable and non-renewable resources. So let's get down to our revision sheet. First we'll start with the multiple choice questions. The first one is, which of the following is a renewable resource? Alright, just remind you, renewable resources, guys, are all resources can be replaced by nature. That all renewable resources can be replaced by nature. What can't be replaced by nature is non-renewable resources. Alright, so let's see here the choices. Natural gas, it is non-renewable resources. Gemstones, it is one of the minerals, and actually it is non-renewable resources. Forests and petroleum or oil, they are non-renewable resources, but the forest, it is renewable resources because the nature can replace it. So the right answer is C. Number 2, one disadvantage of nuclear power is that Alright, just remind you quickly, we have some powers or energy producers like the solar energy, like the wind, like hydroelectric power, and like nuclear power. Nuclear power, it is this power we take when we split atom. When you split the atom, and it's big international secret how to split it, it produces enormous energy. But it has very bad effect. That renewable resource can be used to heat homes, pollutes the air, produces dangerous waste. Of course, it produces dangerous waste, and this waste must be stored in some safe places, far places that will live for a long time. Number 3. The spread of desert-like condition is called when the desert is spread. When this condition of no trees and this poor soil everywhere, it's very easy. Desert, it's desertification. Desert-like, it is desertification. So number 3, it's A. Number 4, which of the following can be made into cosmetics and plastics? Guys, do not forget that oil or petroleum is very important fossil fuels, and we depend on it in our life because most of our energy is produced from this petroleum. Not only this, sometimes we take things or produce things from it like cosmetics and plastics. So the right answer is C, petroleum or oil. Ecosystem. I will remind you with the ecosystem number 5. Guys, ecosystem is this system that all the living things depend on each other to survive. Alright? If you remember, I have drawn for you this circle that the rabbit eats plants and the fox eats the rabbits. The fox dies, decays, and all this matter that comes from his body or his dead body enriches the soil. All depend on each other. And this ecosystem can be in a very small lake or pond, very small place, or it can as big as the entire planet or the entire earth. Let's see the choices, guys. Number A, are any materials found in nature that people use or value, are made up of renewable and non-renewable resources, can be of any size, and can occur wherever air, water, and soil support life, move heat around Earth through large streams of surface water. So what do you think, guys? Yes, exactly, it is number C. Can be of any size and it can occur wherever air, water, and soil, because they are the main 3 things that all living things depend on them for survival. Number 6. An example of extinct animal, if the extinct animal which died out, we cannot find it now. Crocodile, actually there are a lot of crocodiles. Lion, the same idea. Ants, we see ants maybe every day, every 2 days, every week. What about the doo-doo? Guys, doo-doo, it is a bird, and that how it looks like. I don't know, it's big, it looks like a dinosaur, but unfortunately it is extinct. That's the doo-doo, guys. Let's continue. So doo-doo is an extinct animal, actually it is a bird. Number 7, how do soils lose their fertility? How do soils lose their fertility? Soil. Let's see. A, erosion from wind, erosion from water, planting the same crops. Actually all of them are damaging the fertility of the soil. Too much wind, too much water, and planting the same crops, all of them are bad for the soil, so the right answer is D, all of the above. Number 8. An example of an ecosystem is stream, forest, city bank, or all above. Of course it is all above. Ecosystem can be big, can be small, can be everywhere, anywhere. So the right answer is D. Number 9. Humus is made of, let's define humus again, guys. What is the humus? It's the decayed plant and animal matter that enriches the soil, very important for the soil. And we can find it in the first layer and the second layer of the soil. So humus is decayed plant and animal matter. The right answer is C. Number 10. Cutting down trees faster than they can grow leads to deforestation or reforestation. Actually it is B, deforestation. Deforestation is losing the forest land. Losing the forest land. And when we plant it again, that's reforestation. Alright? Nuclear power is obtained by, as I told you, splitting atoms, so the right answer is D. Again, number 10 is deforestation, B. Number 11, it's the right answer is D, splitting atoms. Which of the following is not a natural resource? One of these is not a natural resource. It's not taken from the natural. It is produced by the humans. Let's see it. Plastic, air, minerals, soil. Of course air, natural resource, mineral the same, and soil the same. So the only one that we produce from the oil or petroleum, it is plastic. Number 13. The main problem with oil-based fuels is that they can oil. As I told you guys before, that the positive thing about the oil that we can take from it a lot of energy, and we can produce from it a lot of products, but it has a negative thing that it pollutes the air. Coal and petroleum are polluting the air all the time. That's why I can say it has this negative effect on our environment. So the right answer is B, pollute the air and the land. Number 14. Which of the following is not a type renewable energy? Not a renewable energy. Solar power, wind power, hydroelectric power, or fossil fuel. Guys, some of you will just misunderstand the idea of renewable energy. Renewable energy is not a renewable resource, because if I find some way to take the energy from the sun, or with other way I can say the solar power, every day I will have sun. It means every day I will generate energy. It means it becomes renewable energy. The same idea about wind, the same idea about the hydroelectric power, all of them are renewable energy that I can take them and produce them on a daily basis, every day. The only one that is not renewable energy, it is the fossil fuel. Why? Why? Because our earth doesn't have this kind of supplies or a fossil fuel supply that we can think in many years same. Of course it is not gonna stay the same. Maybe the coal, yes, because we have the earth has big supplies of the coals, but it is not applied on to both of them, natural gas and petroleum. Number 15, building, windows, jewelry, coins are all made from what? Let's think. Of course, minerals. Minerals, yes, they are all what comes from underground or from the ground, and we can take from them this building materials. We can take from them all this windows, glass. We can make the coins. All of these things can be taken from the minerals. Guys, that's the first part. Wait for me, I'm gonna make the second part very soon. Please concentrate and stay safe, stay home, and we miss you so much, and we hope really to see you soon. Thank you very much.